probably made a daisy chain bracelet at some point, maybe at summer camp. This is a little different variation on that traditional bracelet. It's got some different size beads and has just a different look to it. So let me show you how to make my variation of the daisy chain. For this project, you will need elastic beading cord, 60 to 70 e-beads or larger seed beads, 60 to 70 regular seed beads, 6 or 7 5 to 6 millimeter round beads, a flexible beading needle, and scissors. Thread your beading needle and then tie a slip knot at the end to keep those beads from sliding off. The first thing you're going to do is string on 10 of your seed beads. Slide those down to the end of the cord. Next comes 5 of your e-beads and add one of your 5 to 6 millimeter round beads onto that. Slide those down. Now you're going to send the needle back through this very first e-bead. Okay, and you're going to want to pull that snug. That will form the first half of your daisy. Next comes 5 more e-beads. Now you're going to send your needle through the top bead, the top e-bead, and pull it through so it's snug. And you've created your first daisy. Now we just repeat the pattern until the bracelet is as long as you would like it to be. Once your bracelet is as long as you would like it to be, untie the slip knot at the end and tie the 2 ends of the elastic together in a knot. Before you trim the ends of the elastic, put a little dab of glue on the knot to make sure that it doesn't come untied. You want to use something that's not going to wash out in water, so use like a super glue. This is a non-toxic super glue, a little dab of E6000 or another strong glue. And once that's dry, you want to clip those threads, and then you just want to tuck the ends into the beads so it doesn't show. Once you start making these daisy chain bracelets, you might get hooked. So in upcoming episodes, I'm going to show some different variations and how to make a necklace. So be sure and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of those episodes.